Something wild is happening right now, but only about 1% of founders seem to get it. That whole era of hiring huge teams to scale a business, yeah, that's officially over. A new wave of builders, let's call them AI orchestrators, are using a totally new playbook, an Agentic OS, to run entire companies with zero human employees.
We are smack in the middle of what people are calling a canyon of opportunity. And I mean, look at these numbers. They're just staggering. Right now, today, 57% of all work could be automated. But then you look at the workforce, and only 12% of people have any real AI training. That massive gap you see, that's not a problem. That's where the entire opportunity is hiding.
All right, so here's the game plan for breaking down this Ghost CEO framework. First, we'll talk about why manual work is basically done for and how agentic AI is swooping in to take its place. Then, we're going to get super practical: how to build your digital team, how to control the costs so you don't go broke, and finally, how to turn all this into actual profit by selling finished work.
Look, the market isn't just whispering anymore, it's screaming a clear signal. When you see companies like Blocking laying off 4,000 people or TCS letting go of 12,000, that's not just a typical downturn, it's a fundamental permanent shift. They figured out that a small, super agile team using AI agents can now outproduce 1,000 people working manually. And what this creates is this new category of worker that's honestly just becoming obsolete, the syntax monkey. This is anyone still manually copying and pasting data, pushing pixels around in Figma, or just managing tasks one by one. It's like you're stuck in a 2015 mindset, and in today's world, that's just not a winning strategy anymore. So this really puts everyone at a fork in the road, right? On one path, you're the syntax monkey. You're selling your time, your hours, for a wage. On the other path, you're the AI orchestrator. You're managing digital agents and selling high-value results. The choice, when you see it laid out like this, is pretty darn simple. Do you want to be a cog in the machine, or do you want to own the entire machine? Okay, so how do you own the machine? Well, that brings us to the system that the top 1% are using to get way ahead of everyone else. This is the core technology that makes this whole Ghost CEO thing possible. And I gotta be super clear here, we are not talking about just another chatbot. The secret weapon is what's called an Agentic OS. The best way to think about it is like a full operating system, like Windows or Mac OS, but it's built from the ground up to manage a whole workforce of AI agents. The specific tool that's making this all happen is called Paperclip AI. It's an open source orchestration layer. And what that means is, its whole job is to take all these separate, super smart AI agents and basically get them to work together as a single cohesive team that can pull off really complex goals. There's a really great way to think about this that just makes it click. If an individual AI model like OpenClaw is a single employee, then Paperclip AI is the entire company. It's the management, it's the departments, it's all the communication, it's the whole structure that actually makes the work happen. Okay, so that's the theory, but how do you actually build one of these digital workforces? Let's dive into the practical structure of what we're calling a ghost team. What's really cool is that the hierarchy basically mirrors a human company. You've got an AI CEO at the top to figure out the high-level strategy. Underneath, you have an AI CTO and a coder to handle all the technical stuff. You've got a marketing head for lead research, and this part is absolutely crucial, a heartbeat system that basically puts agents to sleep when they're not needed, which saves you a fortune in costs. And look, this isn't just some abstract theory. You can use specific tools for these roles right now. Claude Opus 4.6 is amazing for the AI CEO because of its strategic thinking. For your CTO and coder, you can use specialized models like Claude Code or Cursor. What you end up with is a C-suite that works around the clock. 24/7, it never sleeps, and it never, ever complains. All right, let's get to the question I know is on everyone's mind. How do you manage the costs? How do you stop these incredibly powerful agents from just running up a massive bill? Because seriously, this is the scary truth. Nobody tells you about these systems. If you don't have proper controls, you could have an AI get stuck in some kind of runaway loop that burns through thousands of dollars in API credits while you're asleep. So how do you stop that nightmare scenario? Well, the answer is this brilliant little hack called the salary glitch. And it's so simple, it's almost genius. You literally give your AI agents a salary. You assign a strict, fixed budget to each one, and the second it hits that limit, it stops working. Simple as. So here's exactly what that looks like in practice, right? You might give your AI CEO a budget of, say, $10 for a specific task. You give your AI engineer $5 and your marketing agent $7. The moment that budget is spent, they clock out. This gives you complete total control over your spending. No surprises. And don't for a second think that controlling costs means you're slowing down. The efficiency is, well, it's staggering. One solo builder, using this exact setup with the salary glitch, went from an idea to a fully deployed startup in just 74 minutes. Let that sink in for a moment. Okay, which brings us to the final and, let's be honest, the most important piece of the puzzle. How do you actually make money with this incredible system? The shift in value here is it's huge. The old model, the old way, you're selling your time. You're trading hours for dollars, maybe making $50 an hour as a freelancer. The new model, you're selling the result. You're not the worker anymore. You're the orchestrator delivering a finished project for $5,000. And that brings us to this key concept, finished work. You're not selling the process. You're not billing for time. You're selling the completed high-value product. That could be a fully functioning app, a complete marketing campaign, or a whole series of autonomously generated YouTube videos. Your AI team does the work, and you deliver the finished package. And financially, this model just completely rewrites the rules. Because your agents never sleep and your marginal cost for each new project is practically zero, you're talking about profit margins hitting an absolutely astonishing 85%. The economics are just on another planet. So, all of this, it really leaves us with a pretty profound question to chew on. The frontier is moving faster than any of us expected. When an AI can literally be a CEO, strategizing, managing, and delivering finished work, what's left for the human to do? To be the orchestrator, the visionary, the one who asks the right questions in the first place? That's the challenge for all of us to figure out.